Hello, this is Mansoora Chaudhary, and I am an early childhood educator. And today I'm going to talk about the early years, about their growth and development, and what are the important factors. Number one is from birth to 6 years. Those years are crucial in one child's growth, and most of the cognitive development, social and emotional development, speech and language development, fine motor skills like craft and doing art, gross motor skills development is very important. Number one, and next to it is the environment provided to the children, how they're exposed to the society. There are five main elements. Number one is family and bonding time, spend time together with the children. Physical environment, what are the physical environment around them, and the financial situation of the family, health and nutrition, and the learning, how the stages of learning. It's an important that these five factors should be focused. They come under environment. They need nurturing environment for their growth, and I believe in the disciplined environment. The children can enjoy in structured and disciplined environment as well, instead of undisciplined. And it's not about wild growth. So I believe in authoritative structured growth development. And as an adult, I suggest few things to the young parents. I mean, all the time, just set a daily routine and promote healthy eating habits, exercise, have enough sleep time, and minimize screen time.